Now, the story of a regiment of black American women who were posted to the West Midlands during World War II to solve a tricky problem with the military's mail service is being turned into a movie starring Oprah Winfrey. The Netflix production brings the little-known story of the 6888 Battalion, a regiment of 855 women, to a worldwide audience. Some of their family members travelled to Birmingham from the US to retrace their steps. Amy Johnson went to meet them.
In 1945, a regiment of 855 black women were sent from America to solve a 2-year postal backlog. They were given 6 months, but completed the job in 3.
This is my mother, Virginia M. Lane. She was one of the first ones to come over.
These women worked tirelessly to ensure post from loved ones reached World War II personnel. Now, their children and grandchildren are following the journey of the division, which brought them all the way from America to Birmingham. Behind me, these descendants of the 6888 Battalion are standing in line to recreate a photo that the matriarchs of their families would have posed for almost 80 years ago. Today, they're standing in front of a plaque which recognises the extraordinary achievements of the regiment.
I just feel a sense of being home. She's here. I just feel like she's with me. She's standing right here.
They had to do more with less, and they had to prove to the world that they were capable of performing a task that no one else could do. So they went above and beyond and solved the Army's male morale problem.
People here treated her better than how she was treated when she was at home, so she would speak at length about that.
Whilst many women passed down their stories of working in the 6888 Battalion, others kept quiet, and this tour of the King Edward School in Birmingham offers their loved ones new insight into the places that shaped the lives of the regiment.
One of the things that we found is a lot of people didn't know their ancestors had served. So it's not people were going, hold on, I found this picture in the attic. And, you know, it became like a big story like that, and then we connected the two together.
All I knew is she was in the military, she served, she said we had a job to do, and we came home. Nobody ever said anything more after that until these last few years.
But now their story is being told through the lives of their descendants, and both a Broadway musical and Netflix film, which are currently in production.
I seldom heard, or if ever heard, anything about black women serving in World War II. It's like they were deleted from history, and now they're at the forefront of our national narrative about the contributions of African American women during World War II.
This tour will continue on to follow the journey of the 6888, taking them first to London, then over to France. Amy Johnston, BBC Midlands Today, Birmingham.